Hi, welcome to today's Hamster Daily 1 million Naira boost. So let's start to get our daily 1 million Naira boost by clicking on this link. Alright, so to activate the 1 million Naira daily Cipher Hamster Kombet, we have to tap on this enter tap 3 times. So I tap 1, 2, 3. So we have opened the channel. And today's code is token. Token is today's code. So for us to activate this, you have to type token in order to activate it. So token is TOKEN. So in this place, T stands for long tap. So you do one long tap to get your T. Then for O, you will do 3 long taps. That's for O. And for us to get K, K is 1 long tap, dot, and 1 long tap. That's K. Then E is just 1 short tap. Okay, the last one is N. N is 1 long tap and 1 short tap. Alright, we have activated we have cracked the code and have activated the daily Ciphers. So now we just click on take the price, then the 1 million will be transferred. It's already on my token. It's already on my dashboard. So this is all is required for you to do this for today. So if you have not liked or followed our channel, please do like, subscribe, and follow our channel. We'll always bring you daily token on how to activate this daily token. We will also bring to you during the day how to activate your 5 million Naira daily combo. Today on have been already activated, which is license Japan, prediction market, and derivatives. So if you have not activated it, you will just go to your market and you will find daily Japan, find derivatives, and you will find market prediction, and daily Japan is in, I think is in terms and conditions. Whatever it is, you have to look for it. Sometimes they will not be, or they are not activated yet, so you have to make sure that you activate them. Like this coin, this meme coin, memes coin is not activated, so for me to activate it, I have to go and look for influencer and get to level 10 so that this will. So some of these coins sometimes may have not been activated by you, so for you to activate them, you just look down here like this memes coin. You just look down here, you will find what you are required to do. Then you just go and do it. Look for influencer. Like if you look for these coins, you will find influencer. Then you get to level 10, this will be activated. So some of this on your own may have not been activated. So if it is so, just look for the requirement to activate it, then you activate it, and you will be able to redeem this price of 5 million naira. Might have been redeemed already, but before the hours, like before it's evening today, it will be reloaded again. When this time have finished, have elapsed, then to load it, I will then make another video on how to activate it. But till then, thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share to your friends so that they will also learn how to activate their daily bonuses for Hamster Kombet. Thank you so much. Bye.